Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Qubo model and updating firmware if available. This ensures compatibility with the phone app. Next, insert a Class 10 micro SD card, sized 32 to 128 GB, and mount the camera securely so Wi-Fi antennas are unobstructed. Once powered from the vehicle, wait for the camera's LED to indicate ready. At this point, you'll enable the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on to speed discovery and pairing. With the camera broadcasting its hotspot, open the Qubo app and sign in or create an account. Grant location and storage permissions so pairing succeeds. Then go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, choose the camera SSID, and enter the default password printed on the device or in the Quick Start. Return to the app, tap Add Device, follow on-screen prompts, and let the app finalize settings. Once done, you should see a live preview. Adjust angle and confirm recording settings for motion and loop length. To finish, set auto upload and notification preferences, sync time and time zone, and choose loop and event clip lengths to save space. You should test by driving briefly, then review saved clips and remote playback to confirm uploads work. If you can't connect, reboot the camera and phone first. If that fails, reset the camera's Wi-Fi to factory defaults and repair in the app. Make sure the phone isn't on a cellular-only connection and reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.